Morning, everybody. Had a pretty good tool haul this week. I finally got me a tripod. That thing does all kinds of stuff. 58 inches tall. It's got a level bubble there. It's got a level bubble there. I know you can't see it. There it is. And it moves in all different kinds of directions. So anyway, I'm gonna try to figure out how to mount my camera up there, and we're gonna do a tool haul video. So I will be back in a minute. Alright, I got y'all on my new tripod. Y'all are tied on there with a piece of string at the moment, but anyway. First thing on the tool haul we got was my little temperature gun. It works pretty good. Y'all are 80 degrees right now. '78, actually. Harbor Freight got a new 1 pound dead blow. I have the bigger one. I don't know how big it is. I don't remember what the weight is on it, but it's pretty neat. Got a 1/4 inch Pittsburgh Pro. No, it's not the Pro. It's just Pittsburgh brand 1/4 inch torque wrench. It's pretty nice. Got it at the parking lot sale. Paid $4 for my heat gun. The torque wrench, the dead blow hammer, got a 6-inch magnetic parts tray. Those came from Harbor Freight. Paid less than $20 for those. Heat gun come from Tractor Supply. I got this raw OB charger and the battery, the 18-volt battery, and cordless impact with another battery. That set right there, I paid $40 for. Pretty proud of those. Got a Ryobi cordless radio with a battery. It's got FM, AM, auxiliary, Bluetooth. Shows you the time on it. Pretty neat little radio. It works.
You mean pans?
Pretty cool. And I got this charger with the radio and the battery for $20. Pretty successful tool haul this week. Got the tripod. Looking around in here to see what else come up with. Oh, while we're doing it, let's do a mail call. Mr. Brad's workbench. Right there. Thank you, Brad. I love it. And from El Camino for Life, set y'all back down over here real quick. Mr. El Camino for Life sent me an oil filter. STP, part number S6607. But I have a funny feeling there's something up with this. Let's open it up and see. Yeah, it's an oil filter. Matter of fact, it's a used oil filter. You got some tape around it. Let's see what this tape is about here. Oh, looky here. Y'all know what that is? That is rubber off the tires of the El Camino from the very first burnout. I dared him to do it. And he told me he was going to send me the rubber off the floor. I appreciate it, Matt. This is probably one of the coolest things I've gotten in the mail since I started YouTube. Matt and Peeper, they have become very dear friends to me. And they become my support system through a lot of things. Them and Mr. Craig Durbin. And I can never forget and won't forget my buddy in Virginia, Mr. David Johnson. Paulie Detmerg. Oh, there's a note in here too. It says, "This is for you, Twisted R Racing. Stacy, I told you I would send this to you. Careful when you open it. It may still have sharp edges. I hope you like it. El Camino for life." Matt, I love it, brother. I love it. And it will get a special spot here in the shop. Anyway, I keep everything that everybody sends me. If you want to send me something, my address is on the About page. But Matt, this is the best one yet. Love you, brother. Peepers. Love you too, girl. Take care of my buddy. And y'all have a good one. We're probably going to burn off this Sunday morning. Early Sunday morning. Everybody else is just sleeping. I can't sleep. Probably going to pull back out, get back on the road tomorrow. So may have some trucking videos coming out next week or so. But I got some footage I'm going to release while I'm out on the road. The FXS and some other things I've done around the shop this week. But y'all be good. Take care of yourself. And just bring it.